In this video, I am going to show you how to create a back to top link in Canvas, which is actually very useful for long pages. Although it is not a good practice to create long pages in Canvas for our learners, it is sometimes the case we instructional designers need to create them. Let me scroll down and show you the link first. And there is this back to top link I created, and I will show you in a moment how to create them as well. And let me click that and see how it works. As you see here, we are at the top of my page. So to be able to show you how to create that one, I need to reload one of my prior versions of the page so that the link disappears first for all of us. And let me see. Yeah, the link is no longer here. And now what we will do is, as you can imagine, we will click edit. In this editing mode, I'm going to scroll down and type back to top. And to be able to create the link, I need to go to the HTML editor view. I will scroll down and come here. To create the link in HTML, I need to use a tag. So I will type this little coding. Sure, I follow all the steps to have it work correctly. I just create the link using this little tiny HTML code here, so we will test it out and see if it really works. I'm going to save my page and I will scroll down, and there is this link. And it looks like the link is working, but let's test it out. I'm going to click. Alright, it works. It took me to the top of my page. So the next step will be to style our link to make it on the right side a little bit bold, colorful, and so forth. So to do that, let me click my back tab and then click edit again. Scroll down, and it's just the way you align your text in Canvas using the Rich Content Editor. I highlighted my text and found the right align or align right button here. It's at the right. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to change the color or make it more black, and I will hit save. And let's see how it looks now. Alright, it's at the right lower corner. But the little issue is here, it's not aligned with my content. So I want it to be a little bit more on the left side. To do that, I need to go to the edit HTML mode to give some margin. I'm going to go ahead and click first, and then I will go to the HTML editor view, and I will find my link right here. I need to use my style tag to define the margins. I'm going to click right here, give it a space and type margin. I will use colon and give it another space, and then I will type my margins in pixels. I'm going to say 50px, and then I will say 10%, and I will say 25px and 0 semicolon. So let me explain what this will do to our little link. It gives like spaces to the content around our text. It starts from top. This is top margin, this is right margin, this is bottom margin, and this is left margin. I don't need any margin to the left, but I need to define that too. So I think I typed 15%, but it should be 10%. So let's save my page and scroll down to see what happened here. Alright, as you see here, back to top is no longer on the far right side, but a little bit on the left. So it is aligned with my border to the section division. And there is this little space to the top, and there is another space to the bottom, which is like the way I define 50px to the top, 10% to the right, 25px to the bottom, and 0px to the left. So this is how I sort of align my text or the link to make it a little bit more coherent with the rest of the content on my page. So let's see if it still works. I'm gonna go ahead and click. There you go. It took me to the top of my page. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will guys find it helpful.